As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So we're checking out two propane grills, huh? The ChuMaste and the Char-Broil Performance Series. First impression, the ChuMaste is way cheaper, like $168 versus $399 for the Char-Broil.
Yeah, big price difference. But what are you getting for that extra cash? I see the Char-Broil has that amplifier infrared cooking tech. What's that all about?
From what I gather, it's supposed to give you more even heating and reduce flare-ups. The ChuMaste just says it has uniform heat with its 3 stainless steel burners pushing 30,000 BTUs.
Okay, BTUs? The Char-Broil only has 18,000 BTUs. Does that mean it doesn't get as hot?
Probably, but remember, BTUs are not how hot it'll get. The Char-Broil uses less fuel, but then again, it only has 2 burners compared to the ChuMaste's 3.
True. What about size? Cooking space is important.
The ChuMaste has 464.8 square inches total, with 338.8 for cooking and 126 for warming. Char-Broil is smaller at 405 total, 310 for cooking, and 95 for warming. So the ChuMaste has a bit more real estate.
Good to know. I like the sound of the Char-Broil's tank gauge, though. That would be useful. Does the ChuMaste have anything like that?
Nope, no tank gauge listed. It does have foldable side tables, which is handy for prep space. Oh, and wheels for moving it around, same as the Char-Broil.
Assembly required for both, I assume?
Yep, both require assembly. People have mixed feelings about the ChuMaste assembly, some saying it's easy, others not so much. The Char-Broil seems to be generally considered easy to assemble.
Okay, and what about materials? Are they both stainless steel?
The Char-Broil is stainless steel, but the ChuMaste doesn't specify the frame material. It does say the burners are stainless steel, though. The Char-Broil also has porcelain-coated steel grates, which are supposed to be easier to clean.
So, basically, the ChuMaste is a budget-friendly option with more cooking space, while the Char-Broil offers potentially better heating technology and build quality, but at a higher price. Plus, that tank gauge sounds really convenient.
Exactly. It really comes down to what you value more. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.